Three words for you: Hawaiian butter mochi. It's been about 3 years since I said that, and it is too long. 2 cups milk, a cup and a half of sugar. You should have everything you need to make it except for probably this, glutinous rice flour, which is actually gluten-free. I need 1 bag. I need a bigger bowl. You can wait to whisk everything together, but since my bowl is a little small, I'm gonna whisk as I go. Next is 1 can of coconut milk. If you love mochi or chewy things, you are in for a treat. You're gonna love this recipe. 4 eggs. And then a half a cup or 1 stick of almost melted butter. We're almost done. You need a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of vanilla. Did you see that? Oh well. Truly, the hardest part is mixing it. Make sure you have no lumps. I'm making this for my roomies. Yeah, it looks like a glue.
Yeah.
Yeah. While I have some time, and if I don't mention later, when you bake this and you cut it, let it cool, cut it. Iris, we're kind of in the middle of something. No. I'm mixing. You get a hair in here, I swear. As I was saying, when you bake this, let it cool. You're gonna cut it with a plastic knife. Anything else is gonna stick. But if you like coconut, highly recommend throwing coconut shavings on top. Bake 350 for 1 hour. You see that crust on top?